Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. And for this video today we will be painting another loose flowers, and I will be using this Centenaire watercolor paper. It is 300 GSM or 140 pounds, cold press watercolor paper, 18 by 24 centimeters or 7 by 10 and 1/4 inch, 100% cotton, but any watercolor paper you have will do. Also, I will be using these color sheets from VIviva colors, and I do love them because they're perfect for on the go. I will be using this vermilion color and sap green, and also I will be using black from my own colors that I made. From the brushes, I will be using this round brush. It is middle, something like 8, and this brush with a very nice pointy tip from Lebenzon paintbrushes. It is small gold synthetic blend brush. First thing I'm gonna do is brevet the entire paper, and I did switch later on to a little bit larger brush because that brush was too small. So just use any brush you have to brevet your paper. Then pick up that black and sprinkle it all over, and then smudge it here and there with my brush, just creating the mood of the background. Afterwards, I've picked up a little bit of the sap green, mix it in with the black, and then just added a couple of poppies, poppy buds in the background that will bleed, and it will look like they are out of focus a little bit further away, and then adding a couple of stems to them with this thin beautiful liner brush. At the end, I decided to add a couple of more poppies, but that is everything I'm doing while the paper is still wet. I did leave it to dry completely and then painted in those couple of poppies, red poppies that are gonna be in focus. And I did pick up some vermilion color, and as you can see, these colors from these color sheets are so vibrant. They're so concentrated, so you don't really need a lot of the color, a lot of the pigment. They are very bright. Just picking up that red and trying to paint the shape of my poppy, not really trying to paint every single detail and all the petals, just adding that that red color. And now when I'm just using my brush, with the tip of my brush, I'm picking up the colors from the color sheets and just adding them on the paper, picking up some water and smudging it slightly, making some parts of the petal a little bit lighter and some parts of the petal a little bit darker. And you can see I did not even try to paint the perfect shapes of the flowers. That's not the point. We just need the impression of those poppies. Then again, with this Lebenzon paintbrush, I did add stems for my poppies with black, and then added a little bit of the sap green to that black and painted in the buds. This time these buds are gonna be in focus, so they won't be smudged. And I did not really try to mix fully that sap green and black, but did leave it to be slightly separated. So when I'm just adding it onto the paper, the paint just separates. If I do think I need a little bit darker, them to be a little bit darker, I added just a little bit more of the black. And doing the same stems as I did for the poppies, and then just pick up some clean water. Actually, this water wasn't really clean. I picked it up from my jar that I did use for cleaning my brush. Then added a couple of splatters, first with the water, then with that vermilion red that I used for poppies, and then on top added a little bit more of that mix of sap green and black. And that is basically it. We are done. You can see, very simple. Don't be bothered with the shape of the poppies. They will just become live when you add those buds, and just add that red vibrant color, some of the black in the centers. They would just come to life. So guys, I hope you like this video. Quite simple and easy, and if you do, please hit the like button, share it and comment. If you haven't still, please do subscribe to my channel. That really means a lot to me. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye.